Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a duet video on YouTube Shorts. So this is going to be pretty easy. If you guys would like to go ahead and create a duet video on your YouTube Shorts, on your YouTube channel, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so we need to do first is to proceed with launching the YouTube application and then proceeding to the specific YouTube short that you'd like to go ahead and use as using the duet feature. So in this case, all we need to do and utilize is to actually tap on this remix option right here. And that's gonna allow you guys to use this sound, collab, green screen, or cut this video. So if you'd like to go ahead and duet, we can use any of these options for us to create that duet. Depending on our liking, over here on, use this sound. This actually uses the sound of the YouTube short and basically puts that on top of your own video. We also have the collab option, which actually allows you guys to do somewhat like a collab with this person and have both of your vids showing on your YouTube short. The last two options is green screen, and the green screen is basically allowing you will be shown on the video, and of course, your background is gonna be the video of the specific YouTube shorts that you are trying to use as a duet. Lastly, we have cut this video, which actually uses a specific part of the video and adds your own video onto the end of it. Once the YouTube short is done playing, those are the ways that you can actually do in order for you to do a duet on YouTube Shorts. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.